Well, some shoveling's done, but not all of it. Still got a ways to go. The porch door entry is now finally clear, and we got some paths, got a few cars out. Like I said, more to go, but some of the job is done, and once you can get out, that's the key. The drifts are probably the hardest to deal with, but the majority of the driveway is now clear, so you can get out and do what you need to do. The street has been plowed. Not that they did a great job. Not going to give the plow guys an A+, but they sure did have a lot to deal with. And good luck to the mailman come Monday morning.